This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
I want to begin doing case studies of some of the app marketing from students of this course, and I want to start with this app. It's a really cool, unique app, Sexy Slang. It's a fun party game. Basically, this app is a game that it's kind of a game that you play at a party, and it has like a sexual adult innuendo. It's fun and it's humorous. It's kind of like charades. And what I saw here is a really good job of ASO. I mean, look at the title. It's beautiful. Like sexy. It's every word in the title is a big keyword in the app stores, right? Sexy, slang, fun, party, game. You can get a lot of downloads from any of these keywords, so that's great. And it's basically, and it reads really well, right? It reads like a fun app, like in English, like it makes English sense. It's not just SEO keywords. And what was really good here is that there's a long description, and in this description there's another variation of a lot of keywords. So this is, I would say, this is like a B plus or an A level description. What would make it a total A plus for me is if there was an even bigger variations, more different kinds of keywords, and to be very careful to have the right keyword density. For example, the main keyword should be between 4 and 8% keyword density, and secondary keywords should be between 1 and 3% keyword density. And you can get that. There's all kinds of keyword density tools online. They're free, and you can just basically run your app through it, and they will tell you what keywords you're repeating, how much, and so you can adjust it a little bit and calibrate. But this is already great. I just want to see, like just to be nitpicky, I'd like to see maybe more variation of keywords, like maybe the word adult, maybe stuff like that. There's a lot of that, so it's hard to pick it from kind of just off the top of my head because the description is a little long. But just when I was reading it, I thought there could be a little bit more keyword variation, and so sometimes you appear more for long tail searches. But this is great. I think where I would make suggestions for this app is definitely need to press on the reviews from now on. Everybody you meet, anybody online, ask them for a review, and then of course make the app ask people for a review. Now a few pointers on how the app works. I'd like this app to be not just in case of partying. I'd like this app to be closer to words with friends, in a sense that you can play this with anybody at any time, right? Play it with your best friends, and that way it's more, you will get far more engagement in the app. And the engagement metric, as you know, is very important in your ranking. And also, the more people are engaged, the more they're likely to, buy your in-app purchases, and they're more likely to, share and leave nice reviews. And so then when people use it more, if your app has a pop-up like, hey, if you're liking the app, please leave a review, then of course you can, you'll get more reviews that way. And that way you'll solve the review problem by outside the app. You'll basically ask your friends, and every day you'll meet somebody new, and you maybe in a conversation ask them to download it, leave a review, and then of course the app should be asking users to leave a review. Now a couple of pointers on this app, because it's so unique and interesting. There's a couple of big opportunities here, like maybe something viral on YouTube, showing people playing this game and making some really ridiculous, super funny slang and party sayings and sexual things, right? Those sorts of things have a tendency to get shared, and then from the sharing, people can get to know, hey, this is from this app, and they can download this app. So a little bit of virality can give you maybe like a popular YouTube channel, which can really give a boost to the downloads. And also you can consider promoting this app in different adult or party kind of or humor communities online. I think people would like that sort of thing there. People tend to like apps because apps are kind of flashy and it's still the hot new thing. And also I would explore contacting some, either posting on Reddit or contacting some popular Redditors who, have like a little bit of a cred in that community, because they have a really big X-rated community, and they might like that app, and this app might get shared a lot there. So I think you have a lot of opportunity for virality and social media here to get the downloads, because this app is so unique and funny and humorous, and definitely try to get the word with friends elements, where one person invites many. That's also how you'll solve the download issue, and how you will outcompete your competitors on the downloads, because your users will be generating extra downloads for you. So that's my take on this app.